You've likely seen slick ads claiming NeuroDyne Drops can boost memory, focus, or overall brain health, sometimes framed as a breakthrough natural cognitive enhancer. But does it actually work, or is it just marketing hype, possibly even a scam? Today we're cutting through the noise and taking a closer look. The marketing for NeuroDyne Drops often promises rapid improvements in memory, concentration, mental clarity, and even confidence. Some ads go further, using dramatic narratives implying medical benefits or FDA-level science, often with celebrity-style endorsements. But none of these claims are backed by official clinical trials or verified research. Here's where things get concerning. Deceptive marketing tactics. Some campaigns for NeuroDyne use AI-generated or manipulated video clips portraying celebrities and news segments that never actually happened. These are designed to create fake credibility. There are no peer-reviewed clinical trials showing NeuroDyne reliably improves cognition, memory, or brain function. Ingredient research alone doesn't prove the product's formula works as advertised. Scam detection tools flag NeuroDyne's website as low trust and potentially unsafe, with hidden ownership and minimal traffic, all common characteristics of high-risk or short-term supplement funnels. Many of the success stories on NeuroDyne sales pages are generic and unverified testimonials, exactly what you'd expect in marketing funnel, not scientific evidence. And independent reviews on platforms like Trustpilot reflect real customer complaints, users reporting no noticeable effect on cognition or focus, complaints about his subscription billing, and difficulty canceling. Some customers receive unexpected charges or poor support after purchase. These patterns are common with aggressive supplement funnels, not with reputable health products. Supplements can support brain health. For example, some nootropic ingredients like certain B vitamins, ginkgo, bacopa, or L-theanine have limited mild effects in well-controlled studies, but efficacy depends on dosage and formulation. Vague proprietary blends without dosage transparency can be interpreted as effective. Brain health is complex. True cognitive improvement also involves sleep, nutrition, exercise, and medical assessment. There's no magic dropper that can suddenly make your brain run like new. So is NeuroDyne Drops real or fake? It's not a proven medical or cognitive breakthrough. High risk of deceptive marketing and unsubstantiated claims, and lack of transparent evidence, clinical trials, or reputable scientific backing. If you're serious about brain health, focus on evidence-based methods, balanced diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, cognitive training, and consultation with a healthcare professional, not viral ads promising miracles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.